30 Tips from Microsoft on Moving Your Data into a CRM Part 1, presented by Solution Systems Inc. Tip number 1. Define the word integration so everyone in your company understands it. Tip number 2. Assume that people don't understand and need more explanation. Tip number 3. Have a common goal and stick to it. Tip number 4. Aggregate your data in stages, not all at once. Tip number 5. Have milestones along the way with metrics to monitor the results. Tip number 6. Know that your budget may not include 100% of the cost. There are always hidden surprises. Tip number 7. Be open about the possibility of outsourcing certain functions. Tip number 8. Clearly understand each of the systems involved in your integration project. Tip number 9. Reality often varies from the documentation. Tip number 10. Anticipate inconsistencies. Tip number 11. Many integration tasks are one-time events. Tip number 12. It may be more cost-effective to bring in an experienced installer. Tip number 13. You can't get where you're going unless you've carefully mapped your way there. Tip number 14. Involve stakeholders every step of the way. Tip number 15. Bad data discourages user adoption. Want more tips? Sign up for our newsletter or visit our blog. You can also follow us on social media.